Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to add text or rating on any image or video or music file in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So here you can see on my desktop home screen I have one image, video as well as a music file. So in order to add a text or ratings on this respective image, video or music file, what you need to do is just right mouse click on the respective file and just click on this properties, and on the above you can see your details. Just click on it and now you can see your rating as well as the text, so you can rate it. So let me rate it 5 star. Now below you can see your text. Just click on this white area and just give a tag name, and after that just hit enter on your computer keyboard, and at the bottom you will see your apply. Just click on apply, click on OK. Now let us reopen to confirm. So you can see finally we have added a rating as well as a tag on this particular image file. So similarly you can do the same thing with the video as well as music. Just right mouse click, go to the properties, click on this details, and you can see under the rating you can rate it, and under the text say I want to give a name video and hit enter, and at the bottom you can see apply, click on OK. And similarly you can do the same with the rest music files. So using this method you can easily add text or rating on any image, video or music file in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about the cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.